Welcome to Savor the Flavor Weekly Recipe Ideas. My name is Colleen Walters and this is brought to you by Youngevity. I'm really excited today to share with you some great ideas for not your average everyday burger. We're going to do turkey burgers and I've kicked it up a notch a little bit. So what you do is you get your turkey, ground turkey, or your turkey mince as we call it in Australia and the UK. Mix it with some chopped onion, an egg, some tomato paste, just gives it that richness, and you can add some breadcrumbs or some flour, gluten-free, just to keep it bound together. So you mix them into little mini patties, all right? Now, what I've also added is the Saveur Southern style dry rub. Now, of course, this is beautiful on ribs, but with the cumin, the paprika, the onion, the garlic, all of these rich herb flavors and spices, you're going to add some great depth of flavor to the turkey burgers. Now, what I've done though is, I didn't know it was a thing. I never heard of this before, but leftover bacon? Okay, so if you've got an extra couple of pieces of bacon, chop it up really fine, mix it with the turkey mince, the ground turkey, and pop it in there. It just gives us an amazing extra flavor for there. Now what we've done is, for a lot of people, they're looking for an alternative to mayonnaise. So we've just taken a ripe avocado, mashed it up, really make it completely creamy, a little bit of lemon juice, and some beautiful Dijon mustard. We've mixed this with our seasoned salt, mixed it all together again at the right consistency, and we've been able to top this amazing turkey burger slider. So looking forward to sharing more recipes with Savor Natural Foods and Youngevity.